Are you looking for the best induction cooktops? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best induction cooktops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GE Smart Induction Cooktop. The GE Profile PHP 9036 DTBB is our favorite induction cooktop because it has 5 cooking zones, responsive touch controls with a child lock option, and a robust set of smart home features with both voice controls and guided cooking. The cooktop includes a flexible set of induction elements to accommodate everything from a small frying pan to large stew pots, and even big griddles. It also supports Heston Q smart pans, although it doesn't come with one. The cooking zones include a powerful 3,700-watt burner that accommodates up to 11-inch cookware, and 2 bridge elements. Bridge elements work separately, each with its own pot or pan, or synchronize together to provide even heat to large cookware like griddles. When used separately, one of the bridge elements supports a melt setting optimized to melt chocolate and simmer sauces. The other has a warm mode that's good for keeping dishes at a safe temperature until it's time to eat. All of the elements, including the 11-inch, 3,700-watt central element, feature a power boost for times when you need extra heat fast. Controls are provided by an intuitive touch panel, with each burner having its own temperature control and display. GE refers to this configuration as glide controls because you slide your finger along an element's associated temperature ring to raise or lower the heat. With 19 power levels, this cooktop provides professional-level precision control over the temperature of your cookware. The baseline we look for is just 10 levels. The control panel includes an all-off feature to switch off all elements at once. Smart home connectivity works with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It also supports guided cooking, a smart feature that ties into your phone and connects to any compatible smart pan. This feature automatically adjusts the cooking time and temperature to match preset recipes, so all you have to do is follow along in the app. Number 2. Empava Induction Cooktop. The Empava 36EC05 is a 36-inch induction cooktop that features a huge, 11-inch element flanked by 2 sets of FlexiBridge, digital touch controls, a power boost for extra fast heat, and a level of performance that's in line with higher-end cooktops. It retails for thousands less than our best overall pick, so it offers a huge value if you can do without the extra power and precision. The large central element is perfect for large cookware like stew pots, and the FlexiBridge zones provide a lot of flexibility as well. Each FlexiBridge zone has 2 heating elements that can work separately or in unison, so they're good for both small pots and pans and larger cookware like griddles, just like our best overall pick. This cooktop has the look and feel of a higher-end device and the performance to match. The burner configuration provides a lot of flexibility in terms of the types of cookware it can accommodate, and the digital touch controls make it easy to achieve accurate temperature control. The maximum power level of the large burner is a bit lower than some of the competition, but it does include a power boost that lets you bump that up temporarily if you need to bring something to a rapid boil, say, a pot of water for a quick pasta dinner. The elements are a little noisier than more expensive units, and some users do complain of a hum or buzz, but the cooktop typically isn't loud enough to remain bothersome once you've turned on your range hood vent. Number 3. NuWave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. Whether you're working with limited space in a dorm or RV, or you just need some extra cooking capacity when guests come over, the NuWave PIC Flex has the compact size and portability that you need. It features a 6.5-inch heating coil that accommodates up to 10-inch cookware and 3 wattage settings, and handles a wide range of temperature settings from 100 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. We like that this portable cooktop comes with a 9-inch pan too, which makes it the perfect entry point to induction cooking if you don't already own a full set of compatible cookware. The PIC Flex provides tight temperature control with a built-in temperature sensor and display. Instead of just selecting a power level, you set the cooktop to the desired temperature, anywhere from 100 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in 10-degree increments. If you're in a hurry, it also has 45 common cooking temperatures pre-programmed that you can access with a few button taps. Since this is a portable cooktop, you can use it in your kitchen or anywhere you have electricity. That means you might not always have access to an outlet capable of handling 1,300 watts, which is why the PIC Flex has 3 wattage modes. If you have concerns about power availability from an outlet or old circuitry in your cabin, you can set it to 600 or 900 watts instead. That will increase cooking times, but make this pick extra flexible. Number 4. Frigidaire Gallery 30-inch Induction Cooktop. If you have room for a 30-inch cooktop and want to make the most of your space, the Frigidaire Gallery GCCI 3067AB is the perfect fit. This cooktop doesn't have a warming zone, instead using all of the available space to squeeze in 2 large, 8-inch burners and a pair of 7-inch burners that can operate separately or in bridge mode to accommodate larger cookware like griddles. It's a thoughtfully designed layout that improves the discontinued Frigidaire Gallery model that it replaces. This cooktop has a conveniently located touch-based control panel in front of the 2 larger burners, so you don't need to reach over hot cookware to make adjustments. The controls are a little temperamental, especially if your hands are wet, but they provide tight temperature control. The big, 3,600-watt burners get hot enough to boil water in about a minute, but you can also turn the heat down low for simmering sauces. Whatever power level your dish calls for, Frigidaire's Templock technology uses built-in sensors to maintain a steady temperature throughout.